In this video we're gonna make a Disney printable haunted mansion. And guess what? You can make this one as well. Hey guys, my name is Mark and welcome on our channel Touch of Magic. We're gonna make a Disney printable haunted mansion. It's a printable activity from the Disney Imagineers. I'm gonna put my crafting skills in it and it's really fun. Would you like to make this one at your own home? Yes? I will put a link for this printable down below so you can make it on your own. Before we can start with our printable activity, don't forget to subscribe on our channel and hit the notification bell. On that way guys, you will notified when we upload a new video. And you don't miss any Disney magic we share on our channel. The third thing we're gonna do is coloring everything because this is uncolor. So you can see it's uncolor. So let's start coloring. Now I'm ready with coloring the pages. That took me more than 2 days. So let's cut them out in our next step. I'm ready with cutting the papers, so I'm folding everything and let's build the Phantom Minnow. The mansion is ready. Look how amazing this one is. The haunted mansion is ready and it's the end of the video. But don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified when we upload a new Disney video. See you later. Bye.